little video, getting ready and just chit-chatting a bit. It's a really rainy day. Have to take my fiance to an appointment. My skin's like feeling really dry this morning. It must be like the weather. I'm actually gonna go in with L'Oreal's Age Perfect sunscreen lotion. Definitely need some. But yeah, it's a gloomy day, and just trying to think of things I can do today to be productive. And I don't know, because usually when it's like this gloomy and stuff, like makes me tired, or yeah, it just takes away from the energy of doing stuff. So yeah, I'm like trying not to talk loud because I have people around, but like it's so weird, like if people hear me talking. So it stopped raining. I'm so happy. Tried to take my fiance to his appointment. It's been a little bit of a tough morning. Thankfully I remembered to walk out with my protein shake, so I'm not like dying, because sometimes when it's like go I don't eat, I'm not drinking my water, and then I feel bad for the day. But it's nicer out. I just don't know what I'm gonna do with my days. I'm thinking about, I don't know why, I want to go to Barnes and Noble. It's just peaceful to me. Just sit there, they have a little cafe, stuff like that, and just thinking maybe I should go there, read, or bring my laptop. I don't know. I guess I'll figure out what's going on. My fiance isn't feeling that well, so I don't know if I should just stay home. But he does have a lot of work to do, so we'll see. But just a little update so far. But yeah, you see, it's getting sunny out here. So I just finished having lunch. Had a sandwich. Nothing too special. It's still nice and sunny out. Still such a boring day. Oh, I hate saying that because it's like I have to come up with something. Have to not make it so boring, but I don't know. I'm just like, it's one of those days. I don't know if it's because it started off raining and stuff, but it's just like I don't know what to do. I kind of just stopped looking at Snapchat. I was watching Snapchat, like story things, and I'm like, okay, I'm getting way too caught up into this. And then back there I have this area where I am doing nails. I'm starting to learn, like, off of YouTube how to do acrylic nails. So I did this, but the thing is, my nails, oh shoot, my nails on this hand fell off. I only have this one, and if you can see that, it's probably because I'm right-handed, and when I do that one, obviously I'm using my offhand, and I also put a lot more stress on my right hand because I'm right-handed. So naturally, nails want to fall off on that hand more, but I'm wondering if I didn't do as good of a good job on that hand because I was using my offhand. I don't know. But I'm trying to learn, try not to give up. I have done a couple people's nails so far. But yeah, so that area is just like, I need to reorganize it because I have another desk there. And I want to be able to put my laptop there, do editing and all that stuff and other things, projects that I want to accomplish. And honestly, I've done a lot of good work there. I've done a lot of organization and accomplished a lot with that area. But it's like, you know, when you get like the bulk done and then you get to that like last little bit and you're like, oh, what do I do with you? And you feel so frustrated with it. And sometimes you have to just walk away from it and come back. That's kind of like where I'm at with it right now. And it's like, oh, I don't want to even like look at you and think about it. But I need to do something with it. So maybe I'm going to try to go over there, motivate myself to do something with it, because better to do that than sit here and do nothing. So, yeah. Here is my crazy dog, Alistair. Alright, I am back in my area. Like you saw earlier, I did my makeup, so I am going to clean all that up. Try to get some of that out of the way. I still need to like come up with a better system for my makeup. I don't have like one real good spot to just do my makeup and such. So I'm like doing my makeup like wherever, and it's such a struggle sometimes. It's like, I know that you can organize in small spaces, like you can learn to, but then I feel like in order to organize, sometimes you just need more space. I don't know if anyone can feel me on that, but so yeah, this is the first part. I'm gonna get this all cleaned up, and maybe I'll show you guys my nail desk, because this is gonna be a lot easier to like get this organized first. So yeah. Hi everyone. Oh my goodness, I didn't record more. It's like really late. I fell asleep and my fiance woke me up. Got really hungry. This awesome cinnamon toast with some strawberry cream cheese. This bread's like amazing because it's like 0 carbs. And it feels like you're having like a little dessert, you know? So having a little snack. It was a long day, but a good day. Just kind of was thinking about some wedding plans. I have to get the ball rolling because first, when planning, it was like, oh, we got all this time. We're kind of planning kind of early. And now it's like, oh, it's getting a little too close to crunch time of figuring some things out. So, but yeah, I didn't have really anything like really interesting to film, so I was sad, but that's okay. Depending how short this video is, I might just, maybe film some more tomorrow or whatever, and then add it to this vlog, just so there's a little bit more content and a little bit more, I don't know, fun stuff to watch and not too boring. So, yeah, I don't know if I'm ending it here, but just in case, if I am, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll be coming out with some more vlogs, and yeah, so see you guys until the next time. Bye. Hello, it is the next day. I ended up just wanting to record the next day because I feel like I just didn't really get to vlog much yesterday. I am still in my PJ. I'm looking a little rough because I got up wanting to try to get the new drop on Jaclyn Cosmetics. She came out with like 2 holiday kits and one's like a limited edition. I'll show you guys what that is. So here's her website. It's gonna look just a little weird because I'm recording my computer screen here, but I got this kit here. It's her Sweet Glaze Lip Lacquer Trio, and it looks like this. Really, really, really pretty colors. Like, I fell in love. I also wanted her other holiday must-haves here, but I just decided, because these will always be around, it's the only difference is this is such a great deal. It's only like $48 and there's like 3 full-size items plus a mini. But I got a budget, and so I got just 2 sets of these, because it is a limited edition, not only packaging, but I believe also the colors. And I really feel like these are going to be colors I'm going to like literally wear all the time. So I'm like, I'll just get 2 of those. And they're like a little bit of a pre-birthday gift as well. As my birthday is in November, so yeah, so that's why I was up this morning. Not really sure what I'm going to do for the rest of the day, but we'll see. Definitely need to just like kind of get ready for the day, and look at some of the stuff I want to do. But yeah, right now I'm just kind of just hanging out, just relaxing, watching a little bit of YouTube. I kind of wanted to play some Fortnite, kind of random, but yeah, so I'm just having a day. The sun's out too. It's not raining like it was yesterday during the day, so pretty happy about that. So I just hate when it's gloomy. It just makes my mood just kind of like just down. So, but yeah, I will keep you guys with me with the rest of the stuff I do today, and hopefully I can find something fun to do. I did not finish my desk area that I was showing you guys. I did some of it. Maybe I'll do that today as well. Finish that. So you might see that coming up, and I'll show you guys like my desk and stuff. So that's probably something I'm going to keep on my list for today. Such a beautiful day. I love how the leaves are changing on the trees. My mom has like a great view in her windows. And here is the puppies. Alistair, look at me, good boy. And my mom just decorated her little desk over. Excuse me, I'm trying to record you making so much noises. Why are you making noises? Do you want to be in the video? You want to be in the video? Look at me. Alistair, look at me. Like a boy. Yeah, I feel like the breeze. Oh, there's a leaf that just went by. So beautiful.